cruiser yacht, you can see it really got smushed in here. So this rub rail is under this. We gotta build up, pull it out as best we can. This is all crushed here. It's a much bigger job than I thought. So let's see what we can do to this. All right, so this is, I took off the rub rail here. Let's see the damage. All right, so I cleaned this up a bit, sanded back. Might sand back even more, but let's see, it's pretty deep. Have to build it back up, and a lot of fiberglass. All right, so we are getting there. See, I build this in a piece of starboard, and put another piece in there to build this out because it's all pushed in. You can see up there, so I got to build up to that, and then we'll go over it with more material. So this is what I've done. I've built this up with this plastic here. It's really strong plastic. And then smaller pieces, I'm gonna put gel coat over this whole thing, and it'll fill in the space. And you know, underneath, everywhere, we'll do white here, and then we'll do blue at the end. All right, did another layer of fiberglass. Built this up a whole bunch. It's getting pretty level with this and this. It's looking pretty darn good. Or 2 more coats of fiberglass on top, and we're done. All right, 1 more layer of gel coat and fiberglass. Looking pretty darn good. Built it up a lot more. I'll sand it down and see where we're at. Bottom side is looking pretty good as well. It looks pretty darn good. It's a little bit lighter, but I don't think anybody would notice it. All right, so this is the cruiser yacht that had the smashed in rub rail. It was all broken here, so we replaced it from here to there, and matched the color pretty good. This was all concave. The whole thing was smashed in 1 inch, and it looks pretty darn good now. I mean, just flows pretty nicely with the rest of the boat. So very happy with it.